Hello.
Hi, John. This is Steven. What are you doing tonight?
Hey Steven, nothing much. I don't have any plans yet.
Do you want to hang out?
Sure. What did you have in mind?
I don't know. It's Friday and I'm bored.
Want to go to movies?
Is there a good movie to see?
Let's check the internet.
Okay, let me log on to my computer.
Do you want to see a comedy or a drama?
Nothing sad or depressing. I had a hard work week. I want to see something funny.
I agree. Work was stressful for me too.
There aren't any new comedies right now. I only see dramas and horror movies.
Yeah, that's all I see too.
Hey, let's go to the comedy club. My favorite comedian is performing tonight at the local theater.
That sounds great. What time?
It starts at 7 p.m. Let's do dinner too.
Good idea. I will meet you at your house at 5 pm.
See you tonight.